Now that I've had some time to use the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra here for a little bit, I can safely say that Bixby is still very annoying. You've likely already noticed this from trying to press and hold the side key, but actually getting Bixby to be launched without changing that setting. And even when we go into the settings application, dive into the apps, you can see we have a number of Bixby related applications installed on the device and constantly running on the device. We can force stop some of these, but they're just going to restart that service in the background. And on all of them, we are not able to disable any of the Bixby related applications. But today, I'm going to show you how to disable all of these Bixby applications and services without having to have root access. We're able to do this thanks to a few ADB commands. So we are going to need to have a computer with ADB installed. If you're unfamiliar with how to do that, be sure to check the video description, as I'll include a link to a tutorial that I've done previously that shows you how to install ADB and Fastboot tools very quickly. Now you may want to download an APK package name program or application from the Play Store so that you can go through and do a search for, say, Bixby. So what we're going to do here is we're going to need to go through and grab the APK package name for each of these, such as Bixby Routines, Bixby Voice Stub, Bixby Voice, Bixby Vision, Bixby Vision Framework. We're going to find the APK package name for all of these. In this example, it would be com.samsung.android.bixby.agent. Now I'm going to be including all of these package names that I can find on my Galaxy S1 or Galaxy S21 Ultra, but you may want to double check before you simply just copy and paste the commands that I include in the video description. So we're just going to take note of all of these Bixby related package names from both the system apps as well as the user apps. We're going to gather all of these Bixby package names so that we can run a ADB command. So I have connected the Samsung Galaxy S21 to the PC with a USB cable. I then went and enabled USB debugging mode. If you're not familiar with how to do that, again, look in the video description. I include links of how to do all of this from previous tutorials. And when we connect that PC to the phone, we can go ahead and run the ADB devices command if you want, just to make sure that you have a device listed. And from here, we're going to go into an ADB shell prompt. So we type out ADB space shell and then press enter. And that's going to bring us to this other prompt where we need to type out the command pm space disable dash user space dash dash user space 0 space. And again, I'm going to have this included in the video description so you can just copy and paste these commands. We need to run this pm disable user command for each of those APK package names. So if we remember, the Bixby Routines package name was com.samsung.android.app.routines. Once we have that whole command typed out, we can press enter on the keyboard. And we're going to see that the package and then that package name that we typed out has been changed to disabled user. And that means that it has disabled that application. And remember, we're going to do this for all of these. So we tap out that command again. And for Bixby Vision, it was com.samsung.android.visionintelligence. Once that's all typed out, we press enter. And again, that has disabled that. So let's not forget the other ones. Remember, we have an application, it's a system app called Bixby Dictation with the package name com.samsung.android.bixby.service. And again, we just need to go through and disable this for each one. Now, once we have finished typing in those ADB commands, we can go back into the settings application just to double check and make sure that things have been disabled properly. Go into the apps page, and then if we remember, even just from here, we had those 3 Bixby applications, and they are now displayed as disabled. We can tap in there and make sure that it's still marked as disabled. If you want, you can force stop it from here. But again, that application is now disabled from this user and is not able to be launched or even running in the background. But you can also go up and tap the search. You can do a search to make sure that there are no other ones. And then since we are on a recent version of One UI, we can show our system apps by tapping this little sorting icon and then tapping the toggle for show system apps. So these were all of the Bixby apps that we disabled. There were a couple that I left. These seem to be settings menu related, and I'm not looking for my settings app to force close just because I may have accidentally tapped a settings option for Bixby or something. So I just let those stay. So that's how we can disable Bixby, Bixby Voice, and Bixby Vision, even Bixby Routines. How to disable all of those applications on our Samsung Galaxy S21, our Galaxy S21 Plus, and our Galaxy S21 Ultra without having to have root access.